All right, welcome back. Let's dive into some quick tech news. Well, the Motorola phone, the P40, I guess this thing with phones, new phones coming out with the notched phones. You can see here the top left-hand corner of the phone of the Motorola has this camera notch here. I have mixed feelings about this. I don't know about you guys. I'm not quite sure. It looks right. But what caught my attention here is the 48 megapixel camera. Very, very nice. Some of you know that my phone of the year is a Motorola phone. So we'll see how this works out for Motorola and notched phones. For all of you Halo fans out there, the Halo TV series apparently is still going to be made, even though this was announced back in 2013. This will debut on Showtime. 10 episodes have been announced. Such is the nature of Hollywood. This was announced back in 2013 by Steven Spielberg's Productions. So, I don't know. I'm a big Halo fan, so I guess we'll have to wait a little bit longer. This one caught my attention. Windows 10 is now the world's biggest OS, even though you hate it. I'll let you guys insert all of your jokes. And finally, a gamer who goes by the name of Ninja apparently made $10 million last year playing games. I guess playing a lot of Fortnite. So you want to grow up to be a doctor? What are you, stupid? I'm just kidding. God bless all the doctors and nurses out there. You guys and girls do a terrific job, so thank you. All right, well, that's all I have for this quickie news update. We will schedule a community-supported live event sometime in the future. Thank you for all of your support. It'll be a public live show, not a private one. I don't know yet about the topic. Maybe my top 10 Linux picks for 2018, Linux OS distributions for 2018 or something like that. I will make an announcement hopefully soon. So thank you again for another year. If you would like to sponsor a live event, just send me an email at totalOStoday1@gmail.com. That's it. I'll catch you on the next one. Arrivederci.